Okay, just real quickly, as long as you follow the guide as far as the components of your presentation, really the rubric just kind of follows that and falls into place. When you're doing your final presentation, just make sure that all the key components are covered, that you're going to address components of chapter number 1, chapter number 2, chapter number 3. You're going to cover EC as Pi. Your presentation is professional and you followed the guidelines as far as what the recommendations for a professional presentation actually entails, and that you demonstrate that you are indeed the expert on your topic. Those are the key components to a successful presentation. And just remember that our practice session needs to occur before your final presentation so that you are prepared for some of those questions that may come up, and that you've practiced so you can have that confidence level that you need to really rock the last aspect of this rubric. So we want to make sure that you're fully prepared so that you have the confidence to really shine as far as demonstrating your area of expertise. So if you have any questions or concerns, let me know. Thank you.